Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn algebraic expressions together, step by step. Algebraic expressions combine numbers, variables, and operations. We'll learn their parts and how to add, subtract, and evaluate them. An expression is made of terms separated by plus or minus. In 3x squared plus 5x minus 7, the terms are 3x squared, 5x, and minus 7. The coefficient of x squared is 3. Like terms have exactly the same variable raised to the same power, so 5x and 2x are like. 5x and 5x squared are unlike, they cannot be combined. To add 3x plus 2 and 5x minus 4, combine like terms. 3x plus 5x is 8x, and 2 minus 4 is minus 2. So the sum is 8x minus 2. To find the value of 2x plus 3 when x is 4, substitute 2 times 4 plus 3 is 8 plus 3, which is 11. To recap, an expression is built from terms. Only like terms can be combined, and you find its value by substituting the number for the variable. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.